Hi guys, welcome back to Now News and Update. In this channel, our concerns is to solve student issue and give them step-by-step process on how to do that. So without wasting much of our time, today I'll be guiding you on how to reset student email password. If you have forgotten your password and you don't know how to reset it, this is the actual video for you to do that. If you have a video, if you have your email, you've been able to log into your email before now, but you want to log in again, you've forgotten your password, you don't know where you kept it, or it was not saved on your device, so you can actually retrieve it. The first thing you need to do is to go to your browser and type gmail.com. It's going to take you to this page. So this home page, what you need to do is to put in your student email address. So just like this. So do not panic. It's just going to give you this just like this. Once you click on next, it will ask you for password. You know that you have forgotten your password, your email address password. So don't panic at all. The instruction is going to send you a link to change and recover that password back. So this is the process as well. So it will ask you to put your password. Don't put your password because you don't know the password. You just have to click on this forgot password. Click on the forgot password. Once you click on it, once you click on the forget password, an OTP or access code will be sent to your registered phone number or the school portal on the school portal. So there is an OTP that will be sent to your registered phone number on the school portal. So the phone number you use to register while you are registering before when you first register with now. So an OTP or an access code will be sent to it on the school portal. Also to the email address you use during your admission. You can either send to the email address you use during your admission. So the code is going to be 6 digits. So once you put that code, or it's going to ask that you are trying to sign in with other device, all those kind of things. So if the phone that you use and sign in initially before is going to pop up, and you can each actually um click on it to sign in again or change your password. So once an OTP has been sent to it or a link has been sent to that your initial email you register with now when you are processing your admission. So you click on that link and also follow the prompt on. After you miss after you must have changed the password, do not hesitate to save your login details on your device. So this is just the process. Once you get that, kindly reset your password and change it to something that you remember. So this is how to actually reset your now student email password if you have forgotten it, or you forgot your password and you want to change it. This is actually the way forward on how to do that. Thank you for staying to the end of this video and also to this tutorial. Then if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so and turn on the notification bell while we post you more of the video. Bye.